This is Sonny Jimenez with TexasRealtyPros.com. Today I want to talk to you about getting prepared to buy your first home, what you need to do and what documents you need to gather, what you need to do to your credit, and how to prepare for the loan. A young lady today emailed me and she's like, well, I'm interested in buying a home, but what do I need to do? How do I get started? And I thought it was an interesting topic because there's not a lot of information out there about what to do to get started. On our website, we have on TexasRealtyPros.com, there's a little link here in Realty Self-Education right here. And there's a link that says preparing to buy a home. And that's where we are now. The first thing you should know is we need this global bank form filled out. The global bank form, also known in the bank world, is the 1003 document. It's a globally accepted form that all banks will receive. So if you have that all populated, accept the liabilities. You do not have to fill out the liabilities part, because when we pull your credit, it will auto-populate the liabilities for us and determine your ratios. Of course, you do need to fill out your employment information and your tax information, because that's how the ratios are calculated. So you just do the best you can to fill out this global bank form, except page 3 of the liabilities. And then our computer system will do the rest, or any bank will do the rest, actually. I'm just giving you a heads up. The documents you need to gather, though, are pretty simple. You'll need the last 2 years' tax returns, and if you're working for somebody or a company, you'll have W-2s, and that's all I needed. That's all a bank needs, is to be acceptable. They'll accept W-2s. However, if you're self-employed, they'll need the entire tax returns, because they'll be looking at each and everything. They're kind of meticulous about tax returns if you're self-employed. So it's a little harder to get a loan. But it's not impossible at all, because nowadays the banks are a lot lenient, stocks are up, so they're lending. And of course, as of today's we're at the end of 2011, and this quarter they're definitely lending. Now, if you're also self-employed, you'll need your financial statements, year-to-date, up-to-date financial statements. You'll need 30 days of pay stubs. You'll need 3 months of bank statements. And if you have stocks, your 401k, any kind of investment docs that are valuable, that give you liquidity, that you can cash in if you like. Banks like to know that you have funds available just in case of hard times. So all those assets look good in the eyes of the bank representative. If you've ever been married, you also need your divorce decree. Sometimes it's just, if you have it, if you've been recently divorced, you'll need it, because if you've been married, we want to separate your spouse's, your ex-spouse's credit from yours. And that's how we do it with the divorce decree. Of course, you'll need the global bank form that we filled out, like we talked about earlier. Let's go a little bit further down now. Pre-qualifying for a mortgage, you fill out this stuff. It's your pre-qualification. We could do all this stuff for you. Your PITI, which is principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. That's usually a good rule of thumb, is the 1% rule. That's what we use in the real estate world. Anyways, below $500,000, you can use the 1% rule, and that will be, for instance, if it's $200,000, it'd be $2,000 a month. If it's $300,000, it'd be $3,000 a month. That's on a 30-year note with a fixed interest rate. And the payment will include your PITI, the principal, the interest, the taxes, the insurance. That's everything rolled into the payment, escrowed in. That's another term. Escrow just means that you're going to be paying it every month. So if your taxes are $3,600 a year on your house, then that's $300 a month you'll be paying on top of your principal and interest and your insurance. A good rule of thumb for insurance is the 1% rule as well. So if it's a $100,000 house, you'll be paying $1,000 a year. So you'll be paying about $80 a month. So let's go here. Reviewing your credit. This is part of our system that can do that. Just taking revolving credit. And developing your budget. It's always good to budget. Of course, I'm pretty sure you guys understand that stuff. So this is a quick and easy way for you guys to get your stuff together, to get prepared for your home, to purchase your home, getting your taxes in order, getting your 30-day pay stubs, getting your W-2s, getting your assets available like stocks and 401k and all that good stuff, divorce decree, and of course fill out the global bank form, the 1003. Okay, well that's your Texas Realty Pros presentation in less than 2 minutes, I'm hoping. So give me a call at 713-320-0122 anytime, day or night. You can message me, text me, email me at TexasRealtyPros@gmail.com. That's TexasRealtyPros@gmail.com. Once again, thank you for checking my video out, and have a great evening. Bye-bye.